spotted our mare that she had a foal last night, and we came to where she was, and she's not here right now, so we're on the lookout for a Palomino baby. Emma's seen a Palomino, so let's see if we can find them. We like to foal out in the pasture. We feel like it's not as dirty and not as many germs, but this is the drawback to foaling in the pasture, is that they're kind of hard to find. So we'll find her soon. There they are. Okay, we'll be down there in a second. Hi, sweethearts. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, Mama. Wow, I think there's a lot of white. Lots of chrome. Come on, Mama. Oh, look at all them white legs. I think we got 4 white socks. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, you're gorgeous. Come on. Wow. And we are, I think we might, are we a filly? Oh lordy. I don't know. I think we are. I think we might be a filly. Oh yeah. I think we're a filly. Wowza. I think she just doesn't want Roja anywhere near her. Come on. Come on, Mama. Oh yeah, good luck catching Roja. That is 4 high white socks and a wide lace. My goodness, that is a looker. And I think a filly. I can't see any man parts there. Didn't get the lift in her tail, but they're headed up, so. Really good.
Roja's like, Tom. We'll get a drink.
Gonna get a drink.
Should I stay up here then? Probably.
Yeah. I wonder if she's gonna head up to the grain.
I know, that's what I think she's going to do.
Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job filming. I'm a little distracted. Come on, Mom. Hi, baby. Oh, baby girl. It's okay. All right. Come on, Mom. Just stand back, you know, she's nursing. So we know she's nursed. She's nursing right now. Trying. She knows what's under there. She's nuzzling her. Come on, got some grain right here. Come here. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna let us get her. Not yet, anyways. She will. She will eventually. You need to be a little sneakier with your halter, Emma. Hide it on your arm. Like, no, like put it up on your shoulder like a purse. There you go. Then you can carry your bucket with 2 hands. There you go. Good job. And the mare is food motivated. Do not foal in the pasture if you don't have a food motivated mare. We do. So now we're going to take them up to the catch pen that we have built out here, and we'll get our hands on the colt and get some betadine on its label. It's a mare, yes! Jackpot! Palomino filly, 4 white socks, and a blaze. Good job, Mom. Nuts. No nuts. We could call it Mount. No nuts. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Curious. Pink, because she's going to be a blonde rock star. She's got pink nose. She is awesome. Oh, yeah, that's just fun. That's just fun. Oh. Pink. Her perfect pink. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, she is gorgeous. Oh, yes, she loves that. Hi, baby. Oh. Oh. Got a little attitude. That's fitting for your name. Step in mom's grain. You're gonna tip mom's grain. It's all right. I just drop it in. Yes, those are some girl parts there. That's a good mom. That's a good mom. Okay, we got the iodine on. Got the iodine on. Got the iodine on the navel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. We're not happy that Roja is over here. Yeah. But, oh yes, what a nice babe. Good job, Mom. I think so. I think we did everything we wanted to do. We want to get our hands on it a little bit. And we got iodine on the navel. Now we need to go look for the placenta. Good job, Red. I think that one's going to be one we're going to have a hard time getting our fill of. We're going to want to be out here all the time with her.
What's better?
Butt scratching or nursing. What's better is having them both at the same time. Okay, so we think we found where she foaled down here in this little draw, and we can't find the afterbirth. I don't know if a coyote came and got it, but Emma says don't show this, but I think it is good to show. Right in here, if you can see, there is like, I think that's the foal's first poop. I don't know if you pronounce it meconium or meconium, I don't know. So anyways, that's good to know that the foal has pooped. So, but we cannot find the placenta. But the foal is getting around really good, so my guess is it was born last night. So, what do you think, Emma?
Yep. Was it yesterday evening?
You seen him yesterday evening, so it had to be after you seen him.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll keep an eye on the mare, make sure she is acting good, and I called our vet just to make sure that he thinks we're okay to just watch her. So, and I don't know if he wants to check her, but we'll discuss that. I had to leave a voicemail for him. See if you can get us out of here without crashing. We don't go slow. Heaven forbid. Oh, hello. Hang on. Emma's the wild driver.
Okay, but then when I found them this morning, that would make sense why they were
right over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet she pulled out there.
Yeah, I bet she did too, and then came up here. Yep. Yay, we hit the jackpot. A Palomino filly with 4 white socks and a wide blaze. She's gorgeous. We're gonna call her Pink for Pink the rock star, because she's gonna be a badass rock star of a barrel horse. And I think we're gonna name her
After Pink's song.
I've Got Money Now. So if you want to help us name the foal, put a name in the comments. Emma is not sure where she's going right now. Ah, we're gonna die! We're all gonna die! And there they are. I'm gonna die.
Our 8 seen nothing yet. We'll be here as of 2023.